Consider a panpsychism view of reality. That view suggests that at the source of the universe is consciousness. So far as we know, consciousness is invisible. Both the Hermetica and the Bible speak about creation coming from darkness. Darkness was upon the face of the deep, in Genesis, and, hovering over the dark waters of potentiality, Poemanders, the corpus hermeticum. Panpsychism posits that within consciousness lies all potentiality. Quantum mechanics speaks of potentiality instead of materiality. Lao Tzu said that the ineffable Tao was the mother of all spirit and matter. Again, the spirit is likened to the wind or the breath because it is invisible. Therefore, since there is an ubiquitous idea that consciousness or mind is the creative source of the universe in ancient writings and philosophies, I think it is safe to assume that the Bible and the Hermetica are both referring metaphorically to dark matter and dark energy. Here is a quote from an article about the effort to find out more about dark matter. One part of the mystery is dark matter, which has by far most of the mass in the cosmos. Astronomers know it's there because when they measure the stars and other regular matter in galaxies, they find that there is not nearly enough gravity to hold these clusters together. If nothing else was out there, galaxies would be quickly flying apart, Menelace said. It is essentially impossible to understand our observation of history, of the evolutionary cosmos without dark matter, Menelace said. Lippincott, a University of California, Santa Barbara, physicist, said, "We would not be here without dark matter." Look at this quote from the Hermetica. "Bless me with knowledge of autumn, I begged. Suddenly everything changed before me. Reality was opened out in a moment. I saw the boundless view. All became dissolved in light, united within one joyous love. Yet the light cast a shadow, grim and terrible, which, passing downwards, became like restless water, chaotically tossing forth spume like smoke. And I heard an unspeakable lament, an inarticulate cry of separation. The light then uttered a word, which calmed the chaotic waters. My guide asked, 'Do you understand the secrets of this vision?' I am that light, the mind of God, which exists before the chaotic dark waters of potentiality. My calming word is the Son of God, the idea of beautiful order, the harmony of all things with all things. Primal mind is parent of the word, just as, in your own experience, your human mind gives birth to speech." Freak. Tim. The Hermetica. The Lost Wisdom of the Pharaohs, pp. 32-33. Tim Freak Publications. Kindle edition. Also, look at this quote from the New Testament. Heb 11-3. By faith we understand that the worlds were prepared by the word of God, so that what is seen was made from things that are not visible. Could the metaphor of Hermes, the dark chaotic waters of potentiality, be dark matter? I personally find that the preponderance of evidence shows that mystical revelation from Source has suggested for millennia that consciousness is the creative agent. This would be true of the Greek logos, and the Chinese Tao as well. The descriptors of dark and invisible fit nicely into this theory. However, there is not just dark matter. There is also dark energy. I find it interesting that the breakdown of the substance of the universe is as follows. Regular matter 5%, dark matter 27%, and dark energy, a whopping 68%. Dark matter keeps the universe from flying apart, and dark energy causes it to expand, and not only expand but accelerate as well. The idea of dark energy and dark matter is not fringe. It is well accepted in mainstream physics and is included in the standard model of cosmology. Yet it is invisible and only detectable by the forces it exerts on the universe. Cosmologists know it is there by its effects. Returning to the Bible and the Hermetica, we see in metaphorical terms the principle of dark energy and dark matter. The dark energy is consciousness, and dark matter is the way that consciousness holds it all together. I am not trying to force religion on anyone. I am stating that creative consciousness, the source of the universe, has communicated over the centuries with metaphors that help us better understand the nature of reality. It is in this way that the Hermetica, and a couple of verses from the Epistle to the Hebrews explains in metaphorical terms the mystical nature of reality. We may never find out what dark energy is scientifically. It may just always be there in an ineffable way. This should encourage and uplift humanity. We are all a part of something far more wonderful and mysterious. If this resonates with you, please like, subscribe, share and comment. Thanks for watching.